In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable comment summaries on your Facebook business page. Comment summaries are a simple switch that highlight the most relevant comments at the top of your posts. This helps visitors quickly see the best responses and key feedback without scrolling through long threads, which can improve engagement and make conversations easier to follow. Before we start, make sure you're logged into Facebook with a role that can manage the page, such as admin or editor, and for the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser. First, open your Facebook business page and go to Settings. From your page, look for the Settings option in the left sidebar. If you're using the newer pages experience, you may see settings within the Professional Dashboard area. Either way, the goal is to reach your page's settings panel, not your personal account settings. Next, in the Settings panel, select Posts from the left-hand menu. This section controls how your posts behave and how people interact with them. If you have a lot of options, you can scroll to find Posts. It's usually grouped with other publishing preferences. Now, turn on Allow comment summaries on your posts. You'll see a toggle switch for this setting. When it's off, comments appear in the default order. When you turn it on, Facebook will automatically surface the most relevant comments for visitors, using signals like reactions, replies, and recency. Flip the switch to enable it, and your choice is saved immediately. From this point forward, your posts will display comment summaries to visitors, showing the most relevant comments first. This does not delete or hide other comments. It simply prioritizes what's most useful at the top. It can reduce the time people spend hunting for context and can make your brand's best interactions more visible. A few quick tips. If you don't see the Posts option, double-check that you're in Page Settings, not Profile Settings, and try refreshing the page. Some features roll out gradually and may appear only on desktop. After enabling the setting, view one of your recent posts as a visitor to confirm the change, and consider pinning particularly informative comments when appropriate to complement the summary. That's it. You've enabled comment summaries in just a few clicks. If your engagement grows or your audience shifts, you can revisit the same setting at any time and toggle it off or on to match your moderation style.